All right, here we are coming in hot with a quick update on the winter growing containers, and they're actually spring growing containers because we didn't start them until late, but we did start them a couple weeks ago. So as you can see, we're really late to the game this year with the winter sowing containers. I did do quite a few things that I've done, a lot of my cold hardy stuff in there, but this year really focused on a lot of poppies. I did not realize how many poppies I had bought. So the seeds I started in this are the purple peony poppy, amazing gray poppy. I have a package called Poppy BC. No idea if that's just Baker Creek. Not sure what it stands for. Then I have Shirley poppy. I have one called Single Double poppy. I think those were from a seed swap, so I'm not really sure if they were just like a mix of singles and doubles. I think that's what's happening there. Then I have another one called Poppy Checkers. I have another one called Double Poppy. And then my new ones this year are the Hens and Chicks and Pandora. So that is for the poppy selection we have going on in the containers. And then the rest of them, I had some greens, I did some lettuces, and I did like larkspur, forget-me-nots, things like that. As they start sprouting, I'll go through in a little bit more detail what is actually in all of those containers. But this is just my process of what I use, these giant water containers. I think this is my third or fourth, maybe fourth year using them. And for the labels, I am using mini blinds. So it's just the really thick mini blinds someone was throwing out. I just cut them down to size to fit. Use a pencil to write on. The pencil doesn't smudge, it doesn't fade, and it's really handy. You can just erase it and reuse them year after year. So that is what we do. And then at the end we tape it up. And as you can see, Dexter has to be in the way at all times. So anyways, this is actually a really successful way of growing. It would have been better for a lot of these plants to have started them sooner in the spring. In the winter like you're supposed to, but you know what? Sometimes you just don't get around to it, and better late than never. I'm gonna hold it with my face. All right. And now we're gonna tape it. Okay. You spin it. Here, you hold the gun. Take it. Just stick it on. It's gonna have to stick, but it's gonna stick to itself fine. So just go around. Keep going. Try to get Dexter with it. You're gonna get taped in, Dexter. Take it and cut it. We've got a couple weeks worth of growth on a few of them. Going in, the first ones are some poppies. I think there's one coming up in that one. And more poppies. This container, it has my lettuces and it's doing really good. This one's super exciting. Look at all those beautiful alyssum babies. I always say ramaranth when I mean alyssum. I don't see anything in this one. And this one, I think there was one on the larkspur. Oh, the cleome. And, oh, hello. Oh, no, that's a Japanese beetle. No, not an Asian ladybug, whatever. Not a real ladybug. And we have two of the Zinnia Cosmos. This one didn't have anything in it yet. I'm not sure what I'm going to sprinkle in there. And Dexter, hey buddy. Oh, thank you. All right.